Hello and welcome to another Amelia tutorial. Today we are going to go through troubleshooting when form doesn't load on the front end. So without further ado, let's dive right in.
Okay, so for example, you've got a booking page which doesn't load. So on the front end, you visit the booking page and you see this. So it seems like there are no employees, services created, or no employees are assigned to this service at the moment. So this tells you a bit about where to look, but in this particular case, we've got an employee which is set to away because he is assigned to the two services, but he currently doesn't have any working hours. So in here we can define his working hours and save. So if we apply this to all days and save, then we go to the front end and simply refresh this page, you'll be able to see the form which gives you the ability to choose the date, the service, and the time. Now, in this case, you can only see two services, but another problem might be that you've got 4 services in total, but you only see 2 services on the front end. Let's visit the catalog page, which currently shows this issue, even though all these services are assigned to the employee. So, for example, here's the employee. It's me, Alexander Vukovic. The other service is assigned to the employee, also me. And these 2 services, another service and new service, are also created and assigned to me. So basically in the Amelia catalog, you can just choose another service and a test service. So yoga and new service are missing from there. The reason in this case is because the catalog form itself is filtered by the category. So when we edit the page, we can see that the category is set to 1. So we can show all categories, just show catalog of all categories, update this page, and on the front end you will see, upon refreshing the page, you will see 2 categories, and then when you enter those categories you will see services. So testing is actually showing these 2, but as you can see, it's not showing all 4 services. So we go back to the employee, refresh the page real quick. So when we go back to the employee, we inspect to see why there are 4 services and only 2 are being shown on the front end. So under this employee, under assigned services, you can see that even though these services are created and assigned to the employee, they are not assigned in here. So when we select the second category and save, on the front end, we should be able to see both categories loading and all 4 services load within. So here it is. So testing, showing these 2 services, and the second category is showing only 1 service. So where's 1 service? 1 service is missing. We've got new service in here, and we've got another service and a test service. So yoga is missing. Why? Because the service is not shown on the front end. So you enable this slider, save the settings, then again refresh the catalog page, and in here you will see 2 services in one category and 2 services in the other category. So here they are. Next, we go back to employees. We've got an employee who's available, but he's not showing up on the front end. This is because he's not assigned to any services. So let's assign this employee to all these services, but let me show you one issue that can come up. If you pre-select services through here, for for example, another service and new service, and apply this to all days, this employee, Amelia employee, will only work on those services, even though he's assigned to all other services. Just a second, in here. So, for example, you've created the employee, you've created 2 services, and you've added those services here. Then you created another 2 services which are not being shown on the front end. So when we edit this page and let us show only a specific employee, so now here, select Amelia employee and update this page. When it's done updating, we can refresh this and we will see only 2 services that are being loaded. This is also a common request. I have 4 services and my employee is assigned to all of them, but on the front end page I can only see 1 service from 1 category and the other service from the other category. So the thing is, if you want your employee to be assigned and working on all these services, you need to remove service selection from the time periods under working hours. So when we save this and apply to all days, upon refreshing the front end page, you will see that this second employee is also assigned to all services on the front end as well. So here they are, 2 services in this category, 2 services in this category. So I hope this helps shed some light on what's being difficult about showing services and categories on the front end. That's pretty much it for now.
Yeah, thank you, Alexander.
You're welcome.
That's it for today, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. So
Take care, guys. Bye-bye.